I'm going to show you what products I use to take my hair from this total see-through trash to this thick, full, healthy, and long. Products do matter. Hi lovies! So in this video I'm going to tell you every single product that I've used and that I have loved since I went natural. Everything that I say in this video is my true and honest opinion. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the shampoos first. Okay, so for clarifying, when I have a lot of buildup, I've been using this for so long. I've been using this for over 10 years. If I ever want to clarify my hair, I use the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. It is so amazing, and if you really want that squeaky clean feeling, this is going to do it for you. If you have any buildup or anything stuck on your hair, this is going to make sure that your hair is squeaky clean and you have no buildup, no residue, no dirt, nothing on your hair. So if you're looking for a really good clarifying shampoo and a highly affordable one as well, this is definitely the way to go. This is the shampoo that I'm currently using. It's extremely moisturizing, and it also goes very well with the conditioner that I use. And speaking of conditioners, let's get right into that. This is my favorite conditioner at the moment. It is my holy grail conditioner. It is the Herbal Essences Rose Hips conditioner, and it does say rose hips, not rose hip. I feel like somebody's gonna try and correct me on that, but it does actually say rose hips. It is amazing, you all. I absolutely love it. This conditioner has the most slip that I've ever experienced in my life. I genuinely, truly love this conditioner. This conditioner has changed my entire life. I'm not even kidding. I'm not kidding. Like, you have to go get this. Go try it. Highly recommend it. But if this conditioner is too expensive for you, I think it's about $10, between $9 and $10. I'm not really sure. This is a very good alternative, and I definitely recommend this as well. I used to use this, so if you cannot get this one, get this one. Another conditioner that I used to use back in the day was this. It's a very affordable conditioner, so if you are on a budget, make sure you check this out. Okay, moving into leave-ins. This was my original Holy Grail leave-in conditioner, and it is still amazing. I just haven't purchased it in a while, but I did purchase it for this video. A very good leave-in conditioner. It leaves my hair feeling extremely soft. I do enjoy it. Currently, the leave-in conditioner that I am in love with is this one by Cream of Nature. It's the Pure Honey Detangler. I love it. It's so amazing. The reason why I love this one so much is because it helps to keep my hair stretched out. I've never had a leave-in conditioner that fights against shrinkage, and this definitely fights against shrinkage, and it keeps my hair extremely soft and extremely moisturized. So I find myself always reaching for this. It has a very sweet and like candy-like smell, which I absolutely love. So yeah, make sure you check this out if you're looking for a leave-in conditioner that leaves your hair extremely soft and stretches your hair out at the same time. This is kind of in the leave-in conditioner category. It is a blow-drying cream. I absolutely love this blow-drying cream. Not only is it a blow-drying cream, it's also a leave-in conditioner, and it's also a heat protectant. The one time that I didn't use this, I felt like my hair just felt extremely dry after I blow-dried it, so I always try and make sure that I go back in with this. I kind of went through a phase of like 2 months where I wasn't using this, which I highly regret, because it is amazing. I cannot blow dry my hair without this. I definitely recommend this. I get mine from Ulta. I don't remember how much it is. I know it is kind of on like the high end side, but I don't think it's more than $20, if that, so definitely check this out. A little bit goes a long way, so definitely check it out. I also love Luster's Pink Oil. I'm sorry, I just absolutely love it. It does smell a little bit different from when I was a little kid, but it still does the trick. I don't use it all the time, but sometimes when I just want to slick my hair into a ponytail or a bun, I will find that I usually reach for this. So these oils and serums are something that I absolutely love. When I use one of these 3 products, I always make sure that I don't pile any other products on top of it. Just keep that in mind. So this is the Extra Strength Damage Control Coconut Miracle Oil from OGX, and I absolutely love this. It gives my hair a lot of slips, so I do like to use this sometimes. This is the Argan Oil from Moroccan Repairing Shine Hair Oil. I absolutely love this. It's really nice. And this is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. This is probably my favorite hair serum. I like to use this after I've put my hair in a protective style, or even before I put my hair in a protective style. It just makes the braiding process so much easier, and it just makes the braiding process a lot smoother. So I love to use these before I comb over my hair. What I'll usually do, if I'm gonna put a protective style in, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll use the As I Am Double Butter Cream, and then I'll go over it with this, and then I'll comb around my hair, or I'll just like flat twist it, and this is just an amazing combination. I highly recommend. So when it comes to clay masks, this is one of the clay masks that I absolutely love. It is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. It's extremely amazing. And also I like to use Moroccan red clay. I used the Moroccan red clay when I lost my edges and I needed to grow my edges back. And I am going to make a video on how I grew my edges back. If you guys don't know, I went through a period where I did lose my edges. So I will make sure that I put that video up there for you guys. So yeah. All right, I think that I've pretty much talked about almost every single product that, oh, I did love Tresemme Naturals. If you remember Tresemme Naturals, oh my god, Tresemme Naturals was like my holy grail. It was my everything, but they discontinued it. And it really hurt me when they discontinued Tresemme Naturals. It did take me a little while to get over that. I moved on and I'm in a better place now. It's okay. I found new shampoos and conditioners that I love, so yeah, I'm definitely, you know, I'm surviving. As always, thank you all so much for watching. And if you like this video, please put a thumbs up so I know that you like this kind of content. And if you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to see videos like this. Oh, and I don't know if you guys want details on my hair, but I'll just show you really quickly. This style is really easy to do. I've had my hair like this for like a couple of days now, and I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. Hi loves, so right now I want to talk to you all about today's sponsor, gabi.com. And I'm really excited to tell you all about this because gabi.com is a very resourceful website that helps you find amazing rates for homeowners and auto insurance. And trust me, you're going to like what I have to say. Gabi customers save $961 per year on average. And personally, what I like the most about gabi.com is the fact that it just saves me a lot of time. Changing your insurance can be a very tedious task, and I don't know about you, but I really don't like having to go to different websites or call different numbers and then wait to get different quotes from people. It's just a very big hassle and it's so time consuming. But with Gabi, the process is so much easier because they give you an apples to apples comparison to your current coverage. And not only do they do that, but the comparisons that they give you are with 40 of the top insurance providers, like Progressive, Nationwide, and Travelers. Another thing that I completely love about gabi.com is the fact that I can completely trust them with my information. They'll never sell your information to anyone, so you don't have to worry about any spam emails or spam phone calls. And believe me, I know how annoying those are, so this is just a very comforting thought for me. Another comforting thought is the fact that it was 100% free to check my rates and there were no obligations. And I highly recommend that you just take a few minutes to see how much you can save on your car and homeowners insurance. You can do that by going to gabi.com/Yinka. That's gabi.com/YINKA.